Hello guys, welcome to our skincare family. Thank you for stopping by our channel. To our existing subscribers, thank you so much for your love and support. And if you are stopping by this channel for the very first time, you are welcome to our skincare family. Timique Skin Glow is all about healthy glowing skin, so we help you achieve your skin goal effortlessly. Yeah, we do simple DIYs, product review, tips to help you get that glow, skincare training, and of course Timique Skin Glow products. It's available for worldwide delivery. This video is all about a super effective whitening body scrub. You don't need so many ingredients in it. You don't need so many ingredients. You just need few, okay? And you're gonna get that result. It's a whitening body scrub. So if you want to see me do this simple DIY, kindly watch this video till the end. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click on the subscribe button. Support us by subscribing to this channel. Click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So for our exfoliating whitening scrub, you just need your sugar scrub, you need your citroclear serum, you need your dope shampoo, you need your alum powder. Okay, this is alum powder, and we need our lactic acid powder. Sorry, this is lactic acid powder. This is what it looks like. And of course we need our lime juice. So these are the ingredients you need. Not so many, just about I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ingredients, 6 items. So this is it. You get your bowl. Of course, make sure your bowl is well sanitized, clean. We're using 700 grams of sugar scrub. So you can use any. You can see 700 grams. So you can use any sugar scrub of your choice. You can use tomato scrub. You can use papaya. You can use carrot. You can use turmeric. You can use goat milk scrub. Okay, I'm trying to open this. Just use any one of your choice, but make sure it's if you are using my recipe, then you need 700 grams. Okay, so I just want to peel this off. If you haven't gone through our channel, please, you can check the playlist. Our videos are categorized into different playlists. So if you need recipes for lotion, soap, scrub, shower gel, just go through the playlist. You'll see the different playlists we have, and then what you're looking for you will find it there. So this is the scrub. Let me just get everything ready at the same time. This is my scrub, my papaya scrub. Remember, our skincare training is on, so if you're interested in our organic class or Promixing ebook, please send a WhatsApp message to the number on the screen. You'll get a copy of our course outline to know what to expect. Okay, the organic class is a 2-week class. So this is my dope shampoo. First thing first, we're gonna get this. Pour everything in your bowl. Make sure your tools are well sterilized. Okay, you can do that by using rubbing alcohol. 700 grams. I'm making use of everything. Okay. Empty everything. Oh, no. So just empty everything there. Sorry. Okay, that is it. And then it's simple. Just pour. After doing this, just add your lactic acid powder, you need 15 grams. Okay, so we're just gonna put this and stir very well. This one too. This is our alum powder. Okay, this is a wash off product, so using this is fine. You can use your lactic acid powder. You can use your citric clear. If you don't have citric clear, you can use better salt. Okay, and this is the citric clear serum for everything. Okay, and then stir very well. This scrub is very effective. If you have stubborn dark spots, it's going to lighten it for you. You shouldn't use this every day. It's a strong whitening scrub, so please, you're expected to use it at least 3 days a week. For sensitive skin, I will recommend 2 days a week. We're using all of this as well. Okay, everything. You don't need your electronic mixer, please just use your spatula. Stir very well. This scrub can be used on the face. It's a face and body scrub. Okay, and then for the lime juice, you just need 30 ml. Okay, just stir very well, and then add your preservative. Let me get my preservative. You can use Jama Plus or Optifem Plus, that's fine. Okay, so and then lastly, you need your preservative. Don't forget, you can use Jama Plus or Optifem Plus. Okay, because of the lime juice we incorporated here, you have to put preservative. It's a must. Okay, and it's that simple. So that is it for our whitening body scrub. Use this scrub for sensitive skin. Please use it just 2 days a week, preferably at night. Don't use it during the day and then you start going out in the sun. No, please. If you go out in the sun, don't use it at all. But if you'll be indoors all day, fine, you can use it morning and night for 2 days a week. Okay, for tough skin type, you can use it 3 days a week. Of course, I believe you know how to use your body scrub. So this brings us to the end of this video. Hope you find it interesting. If there are other recipes you would like me to share with you, please let me know in the comment section. Our promising ebook is available. That promising ebook is strictly for super whitening product, like the Snow White lotion. There we have only one type of lotion there for whitening. It gives up to 3 to 5 shades. We have our scrub, we have facial cream, we have mulatto soap, we have whitening black soap recipe, we have body wash, we have knuckle treatment. Just send a WhatsApp message so you get the course outline of what the promising ebook contains. For organic as well, we have a class for that. It's a 2-week class. So thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Okay, see you in my next video. You can see the consistency. It's not bad. Bye.